Thank you.
A very strong representative here. Mr. Falcone is a very strong voice in the European Parliament for Sicily, the importance of the fisheries sector and the aquaculture sector for the Sicilian economy, and more general for local culture and traditions. Very close to Sicily because I'm also an islander from the Mediterranean, and I used to say that we should call ourselves cousins, the islanders from different islands of the Mediterranean region. So illegal fishing from third countries, the need for generational renewal, the need for modernizing and decarbonizing, put in place in the near future. But I will leave you. Let me welcome all of you.
Thank you.
To these challenges, and I can assure you that we are working